Afternoon, folks. I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters in the Pathfinder School. What I want to do today is I want to talk to you about a new product we're getting ready to put on our website. And you guys have seen me wearing this red scarf in quite a few videos. I've been wearing it now for probably, well, at least since October. I wear it almost every day, especially when it's cold outside like today, where it's probably less than 20 degrees right now outside, right at 20 degrees. And because of the material it's made out of, which is a silk and wool blend, it's got more wool in it than silk. It is a very warm garment around your neck. And I've definitely noticed that if I take this thing off, I can feel a difference right away. So it's holding probably, I feel like it's giving me like 10 degrees of extra temperature around my neck when I'm wearing it. And I just love the way it feels. It looks good, when you're hunting and things like that. It's a good fashion statement for an old school type traditional hunter. They wore scarves all the time, neckerchiefs all the time, things like that. And I think this thing has a lot of advantages over a simple neckerchief or bandana when it comes to usefulness. And we're gonna have this thing in two colors. We're gonna have it in this dark earth brown, and we're also gonna have it in this more of a sage green color, okay? And just to give you some of the for instances, obviously something around your neck to hold in body core temperature is always going to be a bonus. You can take this thing and you can adjust it so that it can be worn as a hood. You could just take something like a woggle and put it on there. Like you can see, this one has a Turk's head woggle on it, similar to what scouts would use. And you can take that, put that over top of your head, cinch that woggle up to cover your ears, and then put your hat on over top of that because you don't have much thickness here, but you have wool and you have silk, which is very, very warm. So you have that advantage as well. So as far as a garment goes, it's multifunctional that way. The other thing I really like about it is that you can use it multifunctionally for so many other things. This material has a little bit of stretch to it. I like that. And that's the wool in that material that gives it that stretch. It has no itch in it whatsoever because of that silk blend. So it lends itself very well to use as bandaging material in an emergency, or even something like a pressure dressing style wrap, similar to the Schlichman wrap, because it does have some stretch when you're wrapping. So if you had to wrap a sprained ankle real quick, use it for a sling, anything like that, it's gonna work for as well. These things are 12 inches wide and 72 inches long. So you've got plenty of length there to use for bandaging an emergency if you need to. You got plenty of length for things like slings and all those types of things. You've got enough length with this thing that if you are trying to, maybe you've got a piece of outerwear on and you want to get a tool outside that outerwear, or you want to trap air and keep draft from coming up, you've got plenty of room here to tie a simple square knot in this bad boy and wear it as an outer sash type belt that you can hang a knife off of, hang tools off of, or like I said, just use it to block draft, okay? So you've got that advantage. You could also use this thing for a makeshift butt pack, obviously, because you've got that 12 inches of width. You can wrap things like tinder materials, water bottle, things you may have collected inside this as well, and then put it around your waist as a butt pack. So it has those advantages. Because it is made from a heavy wool blend, it's going to be antibacterial in nature for bandaging. And to me, it's just something that I want to carry with me all the time. Ever since I got the first one in October, I've kept this thing with me constantly. I've found lots and lots and lots of uses for it, and I just love it. Now, these are hand-dyed wool silk scarves. So they're not real inexpensive. They're not like a shamag or a bandana. They're worth more money than that because they are hand-dyed and they are silk and wool. 100% silk and wool total. There's no unnatural material in these scarves whatsoever. So what they're gonna sell for is $39.95. We have the sage green and we have the dark brown. Those are the only two colors we're gonna have right off the bat. But I think those are probably colors that are most common people are gonna want, okay? I like that blood ox red a little bit myself pretty well, but I didn't think that a lot of people may like it, so I started off with earth tone colors to begin with. So what I'm gonna do at the end of this video is I'm gonna show you, this is called the Buckaroo Knot, or like a Scout's knot, and I'm gonna show you how to tie this thing real quick before we end this video, just to give you a little tip or trick at the end of this video as well, that you can use with any scarf that you may have. Okay, so I had the brown one on. I'm gonna use the red one here because I think you might be able to see it a little bit better, I don't know. what you're going to do is you're going to divide this thing in half, and you can put it on just as one wrap, or you can start at the front and wrap it around double. And that's kind of what I do to get that little extra in there, okay? And what you're going to want to do is you're going to bring those tails around the front, and you're going to want to even them up and give yourself, don't choke yourself out with this thing. Give yourself a little bit of room here, okay? Then you're going to take these tails and you're going to cross one over the other. I went left over right with that, and then I'm going to take that left tail and go over again, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tail that's now on the right-hand side. I'm going to trap that with my finger. Now, once I've got that trapped, I'm going to come up behind everything on the front, and I'm going to pull that thing over to this left-hand side, and I'm going to pinch it right there, and I've got this loop in my hand. Now I'm going to come around the inside and grab that tail and bring that tail straight over the top, just like this, all right? When I bring that tail over the top, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it through this loop I've got wrapped around my finger. So now you've got to kind of just, you got some stretch there, so you can pull it through. Get that pulled through the loop just like this. I kind of have to watch it when I'm doing it. And then cinch everything down. And that will give you that buckaroo square knot or that scout knot. And then you can adjust all of this stuff. You can loosen it up a little bit around your neck. You can bring some stuff up to the front. Raise some stuff up so you get more coverage around your neck. And that's what I like about doubling it up like that. You get a lot of coverage around the neck that way. But that's a real easy way to do it. You can also, like I said, you can just use a woggle on there or some type of a Turk's head. They're easy enough to make out of paracord. There's plenty of tutorials of that. You can just tie it in a square knot. That's what you want to do. I just thought I'd show you something a little bit fancier if you chose to do so, and give you a little bit of a free tip or trick while I'm advertising these silk scarves, silk and wool scarves that we're getting ready to sell on our website. So they should release tomorrow on Friday, probably around 1 o'clock if I had to guess, at selfrelianceoutfitters.com. Again, they're going to be $39.99. We only have 50 of each color, and there's an 8-week lead time. Like I said, these things are hand dyed. So there's an 8-week lead time to get these scarves. So get them while they're hot. They should release tomorrow. Again, $39.95 is what they're going to sell for at selfrelianceoutfitters.com. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for family, and for business. All of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. And I'll be back with another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.